with the panoramic roof, yeah, the fan of it. Cannabis lined up on the pool, girl, the panadic.
Pombo clat. Porsche with the panoramic.
Something alright, yeah.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the badness. And as it's a connect.
Masicka with Never Complain. Yes, Teejay featuring Masicka with Never Complain. I could jump in one and see with them two bad artists here, man. Let's go. This was a big up on the new subscribers then. Soon about 300 subscribers per morning. So big up on yourself. Thank you guys for being here. Let's jump in one and see what I got. Let's go.
Money pa my brain, you know see you left me name in the game. Buy a house in the city, make it pussy them shame.
Yeah man, shame them man. Shame them man. Money pa my brain man. Oh no, say man. Money pa my brain brother. What the fuck do you know? Yeah man, buy a house in the city, make it pussy them shame. Let's go.
Yeah we make it rain, yeah we make it rain, yeah we make it rain. We are not the same, do this in the family, I could do for the fame.
Big up now or never. Yeah. We are not the same, brother. We are not the same. We do this for my family. Yo, big up the person who edit the video. Me search for the editor go. And for the people them also where I say, yo, me pause the video too much. It's a reaction video. So anything is liable to happen over here. If you don't like what go on, find the next channel. There's plenty of us doing it on YouTube. So let's go.
Hot like sauna, Jano like lazy, so me no complain.
Man say hot like sauna, Jano like lazy, so him not complain. Yo.
Like sauna, Jano like lazy, so me no complain.
Bombo clat, no. What go on now, Jenna? Yo.
Buckle off, pack them, couldn't stay up on the shelf. Bill a house and bill a name for myself.
Yeah, he did. He fucking did. Yes, he built a name for himself. He built a house on the hillside. Buckle off, pop them couldn't stay up on the shelf. No. This gone too far. Where to go? Bring back us up.
Buckle off, pack them couldn't stay up on the shelf.
No.
Bill a house and bill a name for myself.
Yo. The artist am put in some bumbo clear work, you see, dog. Yo.
From a pull up in the game, so them a melt. One champion, me knock them out and take the belt.
Carbines. From me pull up in the game, them a melt. One champion, me knock them out and take the belt. Him and tell us, yeah, I'm the champion. Porsche Jeep, you know. Watch him on buckle a motorcade. But look them man.
Young are in a well, my daughter son them in a well. And if I'm money talk along with talk, man, I need help.
Me like the fact that the G always a sing by him daughter and him son a get money rare. That is called generation wealth, brother. Generation wealth. That is what a lot of our parents never do for we, dog. That's why we there start struggling right now. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Presidential life, I borrow them and Roosevelt. I stacks my buy and clocks, my buy and focus for health.
Listen to the line again. Listen.
Presidential life, I borrow them and Roosevelt. I stacks my buy and clocks, my buy and focus for health.
I know for the pre-way man I said, dog. I stacks him buy and Glock him buy and focus on him health. Stocks, the stock market right now, dog. If you don't know it, you can bingo, I'm telling you.
Money pa my brain. You know see I left me name in the game. Put us in a city, make it pussy them shame.
What is Teejay verse gonna be like? I know what Teejay not normal for them type of song.
Yeah, we make it rain. Yeah, we make it rain. Yeah, we make it rain. We are not the same. Do this in the family, I could feed the fame.
Yo, who did say that 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 forward? Me never see it, you know. Who say that 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 forward? Cause me never see it. God know.
Hot like sauna, I we turn up in flame. Jano like lazy, so me no complain.
Right. Teejay verse, I know. Teejay verse, let's go.
Full up, I'm a dick, full up.
On the Teejay verse. Teejay not gonna verse when the song, dog. You're not gonna verse, the Masicka get what I verse, brother.
property. Rich me.
Hold on, start the verse again. Start the verse again.
Full up on matic, full up on property. Rich me, reach out, make me mother see.
Binds. Big move the man attack, boy. Listen what I'm saying.
Full up on matic, full up on property.
Full up on matic, full up on property. No matter what, him nah let him matic them. Him don't tell them say a stacks and glocks him buy. No, him tell them say him full up on matic and full up on property. Him a invest in him gun them. That's him a tell the right answer, dog.
Rich me, reach out, make me mother see.
Yeah, make mommy proud. Rich me, reach out, make my mother see. Yeah.
Picking off the blood clot and a pit. And a fit and flow poverty, me not a fan of it.
Picking off it unhappy, brother. Remember, say the kids them never born, never asked to be here. They are here. Them not for unhappy, dog. Them not for unhappy a bomb clot. So better you go look it, go cook it for them.
Picking off the blood clot and a pit. And a fit and flow poverty, me not a fan of it.
Poverty suck your mother, no pussy. Poverty suck your mother, no pussy. Me even like you. You know what I mean? Oh, for me reach. Boy, yes, sir.
Pool girl, them panadic. How much for broke when every song I hit.
Oh, that's a true. Hold on, man, pass.
Panameric roof, yeah, the fan of it. Cannabis like reach out, make me mother see. Me picking off the blood clot and a pit. And a fit and flow poverty, me not a fan of it.
Yeah, but don't tell them already. So, yes, we there. Don't explain the line already. Let's go. Remember, say me I explain every line. That's why me I pass so much, you know. So, like me say, for the people who don't like the pausing, me understand it. Me understand. So, you can go to a different channel, man. You have to tell me say me I pass too much. Me know me I pass too much. Me know say me I pass. Yeah, I saw we do it over here. So, we are break down what the G them I say. Yeah, because them put enough work. Not them lines there, you know. To make this go over on the head, so you know. Nah, man, come on, man. Let's go.
Push with the Panameric roof, yeah, the fan of it. Cannabis lined up on the pool, girl, the panadic.
Pombo clot. Push with the panoramic. Push with the panoramic roof. Yes, you have blood clot. Yes. Push with the panoramic roof. Me get it again. I wanna feel. Push with the panoramic roof. They are poolside. Him say he's a fan of that. We are the poolside. Where are the poolside? Light up a big head with girl up on a dick. Bomba club.
How much for broke when every song I hit. Drop a miller foot and sell the killer pan I hit.
How much for broke when every song I hit. And I joke the man I met. Yo, me see the man perform on Bomba Club Sumfest, brother. Over hour out of hit song, brother. Over. Oh, me for broke every song I hit. Drop a miller foot and send a killer up on a hit, brother, like easily.
I hope you stop me. Cruising through the town, I use the Benz, me use the Foxy.
Why them blackout TJ something there? Jacket with Maria. Why? Me don't understand that. Why? Tell me why, please. Look this on. Why them do that? Me don't understand that. I just feel when I do blackout. Me don't understand why.
I hope you stop me. Cruising through the town, I use the Benz, me use the Foxy.
Cruising through the town, me not use the Benz, me I use the Voxy, because you know it's a dangerous move me I go on. Quick and fast.
On the panel up, my brother them who own the factory, and you know me full of money like me win the lottery.
Gun the pan me lap, my brother them own the factory. Yes, and the man that make it gun them. Yes, he's related to Glock. He's related to Smith & Wesson. Yeah, money. Enough. Nah, go back.
If you stop him, I don't know how to stop it, cause we clean every day while them step out shabby. See them.
Yeah, we clean every day while them pussy that's shabby. Them step out shabby, look on them can't even put themselves together. And them call themselves chopper. Cap or not cap, suck on themselves. Move on, go buying. Yeah, hold up.
For my name every day and I watch you, I'm just fuck a gal in a mini over Sashi.
See them for me name every blood clot they watch me. See them for me name and I watch me. I'm just fuck a girl and I'm a brand new Versace. That's why a girl I give you bun, cause you spend too much time I watch man. Oh, that one in your blood clot. Nice. Let's go.
Money for my brain. Can I say I left me name in a game? Toss in a city.
Me not understand why them a black out him jacket. Me not understand. Can somebody who understand know what go and tell me, please?
Toss in a city. Yeah, we make it are not the same. Do this with the family, I could defeat the fear.
Yo, them afraid of fuck. Them afraid of fuck.
Looking at me right there. And we turn up the flame. Shame. You know like lazy, so me no complain. Never come.
Man say them afraid for looking at the mirror. Shame, man. Them shades for looking at the mirror. What?
Ever get to you hear that? Realness.
So right so now, the jacket a show. It a show. So why it blackout on the other shot? I don't understand. Editor, wait the video. Wait the video. Just put in the comment section why you do that, bro. I'm just curious.
Warrior bloodline, you hear that? Born for greatness. Born and determined that, you hear that? One side.
Yeah, man. One side, one to the land side. That's what the G say. Man, say you're born for greatness, brother. Yeah, man. Never gold spoon, bro. Born poor, but you have to make it out, you know?
One side. Headshot for hold down and poverty, you hear that? Remember that?
Walla. Headshot for hold down and poverty. Suck yourself again. Walla. Yeah, don't chat.
Singers. Do it already, you know.
Yo, I love how the youth them a live, bro. I swear to God, I love how the G them a live, dog. Like, all the artists them out there, so we live the maddest life, dog. Just enjoy on yourself, brother. You see me? And think about tomorrow, said you. But I love on that elevate on the thing, bro. I like it. That's sure. Look really fun though. That video shoot look like it was fun to be there. Cause all the things are going. Me still want to know why the jacket blackout still. Me still want to know why. Yeah, so now or never. Oh, look on the Halloween thing. Okay. So now or never, hear me I say. If you can forward on the comment section and tell me why. You see me? Why the video, why the jacket do that? I would. Slingers Records, even you, G. If you can forward and say your why, then yeah. You see me? Yeah, that would be good. Why the jacket? Why Teejay jacket blackout in most of the shot them? What is the significance behind that? There must be something, I'm sure. But yeah, tell me one thing that another one I still like me say. I'm gonna pause a lot over here. If you don't like what I'm doing over here, you know you can find somebody else to watch. You know what I mean? But yeah, I saw we do it. Our thing different. Not different, you know. Different. Yeah. Anyway, now we have some more time. Look more.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, rip connect.